Hey love bugs, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley, and today we're going to be sewing another lace wig. So this one comes courtesy of Evawigs, and this is the packaging here. The wig I'm wearing in the video in the very beginning is another wig. Of course, I have that one linked in the description box. But staying on topic, they did include some goodies in the box for you, including a wig cap, a shower comb, some bobby pins, and you guys know, of course, the wig. So this is her in all her glory. She's a beautiful jet black color, curly texture with a side part, so we're gonna slay her super nice. Here is a look at the inside construction of the cap. I'm going to start off by tinting the lace. I'm using a foundation I already have in my complexion, buffing it in off camera with a kabuki brush, and this was the result here. I did blow dry it on a high heat setting to set that. That way the lace will blend with my complexion a lot more, than it normally would. Now this is what the wig looks like when we first put her on, and as you guys can see, the lace near the actual hairline is very close to my complexion because we tinted the lace. Also get a load of the hairline and the actual texture of the hair. Now let's jump right into the install. So I'm going to start by pulling all the hair back and make sure all the baby hair and everything is pulled back. That way we can get a good grip on the actual hair. I'm going to take my hair shears and I'm just going to cut all the excess lace off around the entire perimeter of the hairline. Next, let's go ahead and bond our wig down. I'll be using the Got To Be Glued spray. I'm going to spray a generous amount along the entire center of my forehead. You do want to work in 3 sections. It's going to make it so much easier. You're going to go ahead and apply the lace on top, press that in and work it in really good. Once it's semi-tacky, go ahead and blow dry it the rest of the way on a cool setting and you'll get a nice application. We're going to repeat this step on both sides of the hairline until the entire perimeter of the wig is bonded down. Don't forget to wipe off any excess glue, product, or hairspray in this case to make sure you get a clean result. And as you guys can see, my results are coming out awesome. Now we're going to work on the highlight of the video, which is the baby hair. Baby hair came out super fleeky in this one. Even I impressed myself. Just wait until we add a little bit of powder at the end. This is going to look so good. But for now, let's work on the opposite side. most important steps of baby hair is to go ahead and set it with an elastic band. While that sets, let's work on the rest of the hair. I used a spray bottle and I went ahead and just dampened the entire head. And then I'm going to use this curl cream to go ahead and pretty much define the curls using my fingers to rake through. This worked super awesome. The hair was nice and soft and defined. It had a nice sheen to it. I did get a little bit of shedding, but mainly that came from cutting off the lace. And that was pretty much it. This hair is so beautiful. I love the fact that it came jet black already with a nice lace, so we were pretty much good to go. Now let's add the powder. This is a game changer right here, guys. Okay guys, so I'm done with this look and I just wanted to come and show you guys live and direct how beautiful she looks. Now this one did come from Evawigs, as you guys mentioned, and they do include this little package here that has all information on it. For me, this one is a jet black 100% human hair curly lace wig. The lace material is Korean lace, which is like normal lace. And then the lace color is medium brown, 4 inches of parting space. The hairline is pre-plucked and then the knots are slightly bleached. And of course, it's an average size cap and you can add an elastic band. I love when companies give all the details on the wig so you don't forget. Typically it's in your email, even if you purchase, you know, you can go back to your purchase history with the website. But I just like the added touch that it is on my package so I know exactly what's in the box. Now the first thing, or the stunner of this one, is that I love jet black hair. Pre having kids, I always dyed my bundles jet black. I just love the way it pops on me, and I just always do. Like even my natural hair, I love to keep it dyed black. But typically your bundles or your wigs will come with a natural brown color, and honestly, like I said before, I don't mind it, but I just think that it pops so much more when the hair is jet black. And so this was a breath of fresh air. I didn't even realize until I opened the package that they were gonna send me a jet black unit, and I was like, this looks really good. I really love this. And you know, we're going into the summer, we're still in the spring, and I love a good glueless look that can also be heatless. That just makes life so easy. All you have to do is add an elastic band to this wig, and then you'll be able to wear it day-to-day glueless because it definitely fits snug, and then you don't have to even bring a flat iron. So how awesome is that for vacation, for pool days, just for any occasion, honestly. You guys know I love working with this company. Evawigs definitely is a company that I've worked with often on this channel, so you can definitely go through my videos. Just go to my YouTube channel and then go to like the videos. You hit that search button or search bar and type in Evawigs, and all the videos that I've done with this company will pop up. And of course, I have a direct link including the details and everything on this wig if you are interested in shopping. Look at that curl pattern. I'm Ashley Bedeck. If you're tuning in for the first time, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!